Hi, I'm James Plumber, and I'm here at Baker Cunningham. I really look at Baker Cunningham as being a friend. They will stand by you for whatever your reasons are. They will fight and do whatever it takes to help you in your case. I had a very unusual case. It took me about 10 calls before I came across Baker Cunningham, and they were the only ones interested in what I had to say for my case. If I wouldn't have chosen to work with Baker Cunningham, the case probably never would have got off the ground, and I would have been in a lot worse condition than what I was. I was working with one attorney, which was Michael Cunningham, and he was tag teaming with his associate, Michelle Baker, checking to see what the next move would be. I really recommend Baker Cunningham. I would highly recommend them to a friend, family member, or any colleague that I know.